And you know what, guys? Actually, it's not just unboxing, because Rob is also showing us how to assemble the sit-up bench. Sit-up bench. Welcome to my channel. This is Vanji. I'm a Pinay mama and Oma to my Filipino and Dutch grandkids. I'm currently working for my favorite boss, myself. So in this channel, you can expect some life and business advice from me and my business colleagues, some free choreographies from me and my Zumba besties. So if you are in for some fun and some adventure, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to our channel. This is me, Oma Vanji. We want to share with you today a little unboxing of a fitness equipment that we want to try.
It's a Homcom product for home. And what it is a torture machine. It is a bench, a workout bench. Because at 67 I think I'm okay as far as weight is concerned, but my abs, I need more abs. So we have this machine to sit up.
Yeah.
Anyway, you want to practice. I want to practice the muscles in the abdomen. So, and that's why I bought this machine. Ta-da!
Ta-da! And here comes
Nothing.
nothing.
Where's the machine? Here comes. Oh yay! Oh yay! It's all heavy stuff. And this is it. I think it's one big heavy stuff. There we go. Are you ready? It's an exercise.
Already?
Get this out. It's already exercise. Yeah. Now. Bits falling out now. Okay. Bits falling out. Okay. More bits. Oh. More bits. I don't know what I bought, but it looks like a whole bunch of junk. Oh, there we go. We are out. Yeah. I think so. Yeah. I need some bolts and stuff. So maybe. Yep, it's still in the bottom.
Yeah, there they are.
Now we have an empty box. Yeah. Box can go.
It's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you.
En dan moet er een... Nu, dan hebben we dit voor de koek. Dan moet je hard werken hoor. En dan moet je het zo doen en dan ga je zo. Oi. Oh. Snap je? Voor die. Snap je?
Okay, so this is abs in progress, right?
Then you can also be, if you want, do this. Dat vind ik een beetje raar dit ding. Een beetje onzin dit. Maar je kan ook doen.
Okay.
Of. Maar dan niet maar gewicht van boven. En dan je doet like this. Dan kan je zo met het gewicht zo doen.
Okay, got it.
Oké. Nou.
And now, where does this go? It's not staying in the living room.
Ik ga naar boven.
So this sit-up bench will go in our home gym
Yes.
upstairs.
In the home gym upstairs.
It's not staying in the living room.
I would say do some more exercise. Sit-ups. 100 sit-ups, please. Like in the army, right? 100 sit-ups, go! And ladies and gentlemen, there we go. The abdomen are now going to be stretched to the limit. You can hear it creak and squeak. You can hear the bones go, help, help. And the muscles go, whoa. Nee, really? Oh yes, go. Kijk, heerlijk, toch?
And you're just there sitting down and watching me.
Yeah, I'm just watching now.
That's all right.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just watching now. Nice? Okay.
The bikini body.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.